1 of 1. Wow. Derek Jeter, 1 of 1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy. Here we go, 9,127 Flash Mob Triple Threads Baseball coming at you. Let's jump to the team list. You guys stole this one. Hey, look, they're meant to be thank yous, quick, snappy breaks as thank yous for filling mains. And, well, you guys, a big thank you here. Let's just hit something huge. Huge. Like I said, another bonus break will go up as soon as those two closers are full. F1 has a couple left, and UFC has like 7 UFC free insurance on a $27.50 closer. Free insurance on a $27.50 closer. All right, here we go. Triple threads. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, baby. Flash mob. Need some flash mob mojo. Well, let's go. Let's go. It might just be a patch. It's like a little bit fatter. It definitely right out of the hand felt. We'll see what's in this one. If this one's got like a normal, yeah, I think that's got to be a book, or it's 2 patches. It could be 2 patches. This one only has 1 patch. The $2.99 Robin Yount for Milwaukee Hans. That'll work. Derek Jeter to 75 for the Yankees. FedEx John. Correa. Gwynn. The Beebs. Paul Goldschmidt to 27. Golden Games for the Cardinals. Sean Penn's fan. Jersey bat, jersey auto. Goldschmidt, beautiful. And for the Pirates, Brian Hayes to 48. D. St. George. So this could be a double patchy. Find out real quick here. There are 3 hits. Oh, it is a book. Oh. I saw the name of the book. I don't know who it is. I know what the book is. It's good. It's a 1-on-1. Oh God. It could be massive. Reed Detmers to 25 for the Angels. Ready. I can tell you this, no matter what it is, someone stole it here. Can I just go buy all the teams in this break, please? Reed Detmers, the 25 Angels, ready. Yours. Jackie Robinson to 299. Number to 150, Luke Gehrig for the Yankees. Like I said, if you're not getting in flash mobs, you're doing it wrong. There are no reserve, no minimums. You just freaking bid. We close them. And we see who hits. I don't know which way. Because of how it opens, I would think this is up. I think this is up. I don't want to see who. I literally want to crack the book. Oh my gosh. Come here. There we go. Whew. I have no idea. I put another one on the back. That way I can't see anything. We're going to go like this. It's got to be a 1-on-1. It has to be. Because of what it is. You guys ready? I want it to be in focus. Like, feels like it's not. Yeah, a little on the edge there. I'll focus it after I open it. Oh my God. Aaron Judge, all rise bat knob. Holy hell, FedEx John. Oh, ding. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh, man. Flash mob doing it. My God. Someone check on John. All rise. Aaron Judge. Pat Knob. Unfreaking real. John said WTF. Wow. $18 for the Yankees. $18. You better be up out of your seat, John. You better obey the card. I'm in AFib. Wow. Unbelievable hit. John, congrats, guys. That's how we do it. 9,127 Triple Threads Baseball. That's why I love it. There you have it.